Hello kids, please subscribe my channel and enjoy my new videos. A is for the apple trees, swaying in the breeze. B is for the butterflies, fluttering with ease. C is for the clouds, drifting in the sky. D is for the daisies, blooming tall and spry. E is for the evening, with stars so bright. F is for the fireflies, glowing in the night. G is for the gardens, where everything grows. H is for the honeybee, busy as it goes. I is for the island, quiet and serene. J is for the jungle, lush and evergreen. K is for the kite, soaring up so high. L is for the lake, where waters never dry. M is for the moon, casting silver light. N is for the night, peaceful and quiet. O is for the ocean, vast and deep. P is for the penguins, waddling as they sleep. Q is for the quail, quick on its feet. R is for the rainbow, a colorful treat. S is for the sunshine, warming all it sees. T is for the tall trees, swaying in the breeze. U is for the universe, full of stars so far. V is for the valleys, where quiet rivers are. W is for the wind, whispering through the trees. X is for the xylophone, played in melodies. Y is for the yellow sun, brightening every day. Z is for the zephyr, a breeze that gently plays.